Welcome, and in this video we're going to be comparing a 1960 Mark VI to a Yanagisawa 880. And I have a special guest, my son, who is a student at the University of Kansas. I kind of want to start a series with affordable professional saxophones, and you can buy these 880s for, I've seen them for under $2,000 quite often, and of course, a Mark VI, to find one for under $5,000, especially something like this in 1960, is almost impossible. We're going to start this video with just a comparison, and that'll be the entire video. Let's get started.